Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to restrict shipping by product in Shopify. To restrict shipping by product in Shopify, you need to assign products to different shipping profiles. So using Shopify's built-in shipping and delivery settings. So to do this, go to settings, click on shipping and delivery, then under custom shipping rate, create a new shipping profile, add only the specific product you want to restrict and assign them to that profile. So from there, set a custom shipping zone or remove certain region entirely so only selected areas can receive that product. This allows you to limit where individual products can be shipped without affecting your entire catalog. So this method works well for merchants who need to restrict fragile, oversales, or region-specific products. No app is needed unless you need more complex rules like postal code filters or a dynamic rate, and that's it.